Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. We will also put links in the description below for similar bank accounts and credit cards, and some of them offer sign-up bonuses as well. Check it out. In this video, we're going to show you how to view request money history on RBC Online. To start, open the website rbcroyalbank.com. Then click on Sign In. First, enter your client card or username. Then click on Next. Now, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom right side, you will see an option for Payment History, under the Transfers and Payments section. Click on Payment History. At the left side menu of this page, you will see a section for Pay, Send, and Receive Money. Under it, you will see an option for Request Money. Click on Request Money. Under Request Money, it asks if what would you like to do. Choose View Your Request Money History. Then click on Continue. And now you will see the request history. That's how you view request money history on RBC Online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.